Hi, my name is Marcin. I'm a Power BI consultant working for New Data Labs. Today, I will introduce you to Power BI, show examples of reports, and create some visualizations from scratch. First, let me briefly describe our company. New Data Labs has over 30 experts in business intelligence tools. In 7 years of working experience, we had over 300 customers. We have worked on projects in 15 different business sectors. In all the cases, we help the customer to gain business advantage by understanding the data. These are some of our customers. We have worked with customers in a variety of sectors, from banking/finance through production, logistics, distribution, to services, education, and government. However, today we will focus only on Power BI. By choosing it, you can integrate Power BI with other Microsoft products. Power Apps can be used in Power BI, and the other way around. Power BI can be used in Power Apps. The same applies to most of Microsoft products. Because of this feature, your reports can be taken to the next level and provide real competitive advantage in business processes. What is the goal of using Power BI? The goal is to help users understand data quickly and effectively. We should avoid creating tables in Power BI. Instead, we should make use of its features like visualizations, colors, or sizes to bring data to life and understand it. What a consultant can do? We get that question a lot. Our consultants are experts in business intelligence tools with many years of experience. By working with multiple customers and often being involved in implementation of business intelligence in a company, they have gained experience that allows them to guide new users in this process. A consultant can provide basic or advanced training in Power BI. They can create a theme or a template for all future reports. They can teach users the best practices when it comes to ETL, data modeling, or user interface and user experience. There are two important questions that have to be answered before one starts to create a report. First one, how does your data look like? You need to understand your data source, know its schema, contents, and level of granularity. Second one, what questions do we want to answer with the data? Reports should always provide answers to some questions. Depending on those questions, you will design your reports differently. A CEO might ask, how do the sales of this year or a month compare to the previous one? But a product owner might ask, how do sales of my product compare to sales of other products? Depending on the questions, one will design an entirely different report based on the same data source. One more thing before we start creating charts. Each new project will follow these 4 steps. First, we need to connect to our data source. Second, we use the Power Query. Power Query uses the language M that allows you to transform your data. If you know that your data needs pivoting or that there are some typos correct, here's the place to do it. Third step is data modeling. This step will be in almost every project that you will do in Power BI. Usually, you will have one fact table that is connected to multiple other tables. Those tables might be dictionaries, calendar, or some additional information. Understanding how the data modeling works is crucial. The next and final step is creating visualizations. Here we create charts, plots, graphs to answer our questions and understand the data we have. After we finish all 4 steps, the report is ready to be shared with other users. Would you like some more information, some more details? Don't hesitate to contact us. Drop us an email at contact@newdatalabs.com or call the number on the slide. We'll be glad to answer.